District Selection Commission is Jaintia Hill District. Recruitment Arjar Upsal. Nakabanta ka grade 3 but grade 4. Kidon hadu saupapratili ki total number of posts. So kamtam nakabanta ki parlok jonga ki basa support East but West Jaintia Hill. The ko rekam nakasolka. Hapo ka East Jaintia Hill Recruitment 2024 notification for various grade 3 and 4 jobs. The District Selection Commission East Jaintia Hill District invites application for the below mentioned grade 2 and grade 4 posts. The application deadline is 15th of April 2024. So nakabanta ka application ka bakhadu kanday hadu ka khatsan tarik u April arhajar arsaw. Ya sumha bapinya late pan apply ya kini kam nama kadai tangga grade 3 but grade 4 jobs lane vacancies. Kini gede kita gi post tiba nakaliang ka DSC is Jaintia Hill kalapan bana. So ka post ka banukong kadai ka LDA ka total number of posts 21 unreserved 3 Jaintia khasi but garo 18 posts. So salary pay level 5. So nakabanta kan ni post LDA kan don hadu arpo wait lagi post nakamta ki unreserved kan day tanglai kasi Jaintia bat garo kan day pat lagi post but ka salary kan day ka pay level 5. So essential qualification nakamta ki qualification kan day SSLC lane class 12 pass with computer knowledge and type speed live content words per minute lane live content ha ka 10 minute. Number 2, post name Gram Sava. Number of post 7 on reserve 1 Khasi Jaintia Batgaro Kandai 6 post. Salary pay level 5. Essential qualification Kandai SSLC lane class 10 but class 12 pass. Nakumta ki male candidate only nakumta tangkishan rang nakumta ka Gram Sava. Physical test will be conducted. Kinsa conduct ya ka physical fitness. So kapus ke balai pada kandai nakamta ki gram cervica. Number of post 3 on reserve 0 kasi Jaintia kandai 3. Salary pay level 5. So essential qualification kandai class 10 but class 12. Male candidate only physical test will be conducted. Kaniru kandai tang nakamta ki senrang. And kapus ke basau pada kandai ke demonstrator. Number of post kandai tang iway. On reserve 0. Kasi bat Jaintia and Garo kan di iway salary pay level 4 and ka qualification pa din ako ka demonstration post kan di yaki class 12 pass kan matriculate must pass certificate course of 1 year knitting embroidery and tailoring from government recognized institute and experience at least 1 year. Tinakumtakan ni ka post demonstrator pa din pide ban yo ya ka certificate naga knitting su jingsu ngame su jan embroidery than jing than ba kabadai na ka government institute but pideru ban pendep ya ka experience ka ba shisnem nakabenta ka post ka ba san post name kan demonstrator junior level 1 number of post 1 and reserve 0 kasi Jaintia Bagaro kan one salary pay level 5 essential qualification pada kandai yaki SSSLC lan kiba pulai yaka science stream recognized by government kaniru kandai tang nam taki male candidates. Most post name sectional assistant kani kandai tang artali ki post on reserve 1 kasi Jaintia Bagaro kandai 1 ka salary pay level 4. The qualification can be here class 12 pass. And number 7 post name tracer. Number post 1 on reserve 1 kasi Jaintia 0. Salary pay level 4. Essential qualification can be here class 10 pass and above. So number 8 post name stenographer. Number post 1 on reserve 1 kasi Jaintia 0. Salary pay level 7. So essential qualification graduate in any stream with diploma in stenography. So nakabenta ka post nino stenographer ke pinde ban pass ka graduate dan degree siya jrong. Number 9 post name technician grade 2. Number post 1 unreserved 1 kasi Jaintia and Garo 0. Te kaniru kandon takam taki unreserved. Salary kande ka pay level 4. Qualification kande ki class 10 pass above. Kino ke bala dep class 10 sejrong. Umdei tangi class 10 handai class 12 degree ru pila ban apply. Kumban supun kan mau jepi ki parlok jonga ba lada pidei ki ba dang thymmai po ne ke channel ke jonga. Di subha ba pinne share, like and subscribe via bell icon. Di mentangin ya pentip biang ya kan ni jing penbena kan ba shipo kapus nim kan day chairman number opus kan day 2 unreserved 1 kasi jaintia bagaro kan day 1. So ka salary namta kan ni ka post chairman ka pay level 1 kan ni. Nang ta qualification kan di class 8 mil only. Kan ni kan day tang namta ki senrang tagi kan te unam so a one apply ya kan ni ka post chairman. So number 11 post name Chokidar, number of post kan day 5, unreserved 2 kasi jaintia bagaro kan day 3. So salary namta ka post Chokidar kan day pay level 1, ka qualification kan day class 6 and above. Namta ka post Chokidar kila ban apply kibala pendep ya ka class 6, class 7, class 8 ter. And 12 post name cleaner, number of post 1 unreserved kasi but jaintia and garu kan don ni. So salary pay level 1 namta ka post cleaner and their qualification kan di class 5 and above. Lagi balap pendep class 5 sejrong pila ban apply namta ka post cleaner. And number 13 post name driver, number of post 3 unreserved 2 kasi jaintia garu 1. Salary pay level 3 and the qualification class 8 mil only. Nakumta ka post driver sila ban apply tang di bala pendep ya ka class 8 sejrong but shua bapin apply ya ka post driver pide ban tip ban dadon lupa ya ka license ka badeka heavy motor vehicle dan ka light motor vehicle. Kani rukan data ka nakumta kishenra. Number 14 post name enumerator. Number post 2 unreserved 1 kasi jaintia bagaro kandai 1. Salary pay level 2. Essential qualification class 10 pass. Nakamta ko post enumerator kandai ya ki class 10 pass. Kane kandai both boys and girls lane aisyandang bagantay males and females. Ka post number 15 post name kandai Mali. Number post 1 unreserved 1 kasi jaintia bagaro 0. Salary pay level 1. Essential qualification class 6 and above. Nam taga post Mali laban pendap nak benta ki balapas class 6 sejrong. 16 post name pion. So nak taga post pion kan don hadu kratli ki post unreserved 2 kasi jaintia bagaro kan de shipho. Salary kan de pay level 1. Essential qualification kan di class 6 and above. Ya kibala pendep ya ke class 6 sejrong pila pan apply nak minta ke post pion. 17 post name process server, number post 1 unreserved 1 kasi jaintia bagaro 0. Salary pay level 1. Essential qualification class 6 and above. Kineru nak minta ke process server pila pan apply kitu kibala pendep ya ke class 6 sejrong. Post name khasi, number post 2 unreserved 0 kasi jaintia garu 2. Salary pay level 1. Essential qualification class 6 and above. And number 19 soil and water conservation field worker, number post 1 unreserved 0 kasi jaintia garu 1. Salary pay level 2. Essential qualification nakamta ki bala pendep ya class 10 syajrong. Kaniru kandai nakamta ki shendrang. Male candidate only. Paralog kito kidei kita ki post ki bana kaliang jong ka East Jaintia Hill District kala penbena shingi ki pajba. Tena ka banta ka asnem ka ba pi la ban apply pede lane ka age limit kandei ye kito ki candidates ai ki ba kat pras nem sejrong hadu life ars nem. Candidate should not be less than 18 years and not more than 32 years age as on 1st January 2024. There is a relaxation of 5 years in upper age limit for candidates belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes community. Hindi nakamta ki scheduled castes but scheduled tribes pade kandon ka relaxation kabasan snem. And further, there shall be no age limit for those candidates who are already in service of the Meghalaya government provided they enter service within the prescribed age limit and they apply through proper channels with a no objection certificate from the concerned department. Nakamta kinong tray sorkar pade kibla don lupa haka kam nane haka service endem don age limit pila ban apply be lada pi don kano sinema kanaru pila ban apply ringkat kano objection certificate na kato ka concerned department kaba pp tray. And how to apply for DSC is Jaintia Hill Recruitment 2024 Grade 3 and 4 jobs. Candidates are to apply and submit their application online modes only from 15 March 2024 by clicking on the link provided on the main page of East Jaintia Hill website, that is http eastjaintiahill.gov.in. So hila ban link na kani ka link ka na kaliang jong ka DSC East Jaintia Hill kala ay syangi kipai ba kabade hi ka official website kabade na po East Jaintia Hill district. So apply online for DSC East Jaintia Hill Recruitment 2024 Grade 3 and 4 jobs direct link. Bat ngan sebu ya kani kaling hapo ka description box ka jonga te pila ban search na po ka description box but pinyat ya kani kaling kabadai hapo is Jaintia Hill. So the last date for online application is on 15 April 2024. Ka last date kande hadu ka khatsan tarik u April te pila bandang ya pendap no menta chat but pila ru ban late na po kini ki CSCs kibadon hajan jongpi. Candidate can also apply at any of the active CSCs in the districts. So friends, nakabanta kini post kiba nakaliang jong ka East Jaintia Hills government kala penlait sengi tingin sobha ban ya pendap ni kini post kiba per namar ki datang ki qualification kiba dep ya ki class 5, class 6, class 10 and class 12 te ngatrai barok ki perlok jonga ki la pendep hi ya kata kerdan te pin sobha ban le ya kabadun kam. Fresh candidates will first have to register themselves. Candidates will be required to supply a valid email ID and a scanned copy of a recent passport photo in JPG or JPEG format only, not exceeding 50 kilobyte only, along with their signature at the bottom of the photograph. So nakamata ki candidates ki bidang thymmai pade pide ban register swaya lade but pide ru bandon ya ka valid email ID but pihak ban scan ya ka passport size ka ba pidang sudaption but kani ka passport size kam dei ban he lane ban jrong ya ka san po kilobyte but harangkat ru but ka sign ke jong pi hapo jong kani ka photograph lane ka passport. So selection procedure nakabanta banjit ya karukom chapkam eligible candidates for the grade 3 post specified above will have to appear for the written test examination in the following subjects when called for. So nakabanta ki candidates ki apply ka grade 3 post they pi haban to ya ka written test examination kat kum kini ki subject ki bala kedeu harum. Paper 1 general English kan dei hinyo format nakamta ka paper 2 elementary mathematics kandi nakamta ka subject mathematics, elementary science nakamta ka subject science, aptitude objectives and general knowledge. You'll say pimsu tu ya ka elementary mathematics kandi nakamta ka subject mathematics ya ki class 5 6 7 ban 8. Elementary science ru pinhaban penkre ya ka subject science nakamta ki class 5 6 7 but 8 but kiwi ru kum ka general knowledge pihapan penkre tika total marks jong ki kani ka paper 2 kan dei 200 marks lane arspa marks and yakito ki candidates ki ba pendam lane ki apply ya ga grade 4 post pade kan long kumne eligible candidates for the grade 4 post specified above will have to appear for the written examination in the following subject when called for. Yakini ki grade 4 post ru pihak bantu ya ka written examination kat kum kini ki subject ki bala kedeu harum. Paper 1 general knowledge 50 marks ka general knowledge kan ditang 10 marks. So pihak ban penkre bahan nak menta kan ni ka grade 4 ru tang hendrai tang ya ka GK la ni ka general knowledge. So application fee ka dor ka ba phi hab ban siu ha ka por ka ba phi tap ya kini ki post ki ba pher khamtam ya ka grade 3 but grade 4. The examination fee of Rs 100, 50 for scheduled tribe and scheduled castes who are permanent residents of Meghalaya shall be paid through online modes only using the following payment. The amount once deposit shall not be refunded. So nakamta ka examination fees pade kan de shispa nakamta ki unreserved and they stand po nakamta ki STSC. Ki bade ki Trishnon ki bada sa hapo ka Meghalaya. Hen laong ru ba sisen ba phila siu ya kane ka examination fee kanum pan phai shu. So pihak ban siu ru ya kane ka examination fee lang ba ka online mode. Kata ka bo mode ba lang ba ka debit kam ATM cards lane credit cards lane net banking or e-challan lane cash payment. Pila ban siu da ka credit lane debit card lane ka net banking klaro ban siu da ka challans lane ka cash payment da ka ba pilih hai ki bang ki ba don hajan jongpi. For person with PWDs, person with disabilities, the application fee is exempted subject to furnishing of disability certificate to DSC. Nakamta kini ki parlo ki ba long ki ba don jingdu na pande don kam ba pinsiu ya kane ka examination fee kata katkum ka rules chong ka government lani ka DSC. Also, applicants are advised to go through the DSC is Jaintia Hill Recruitment 2024 Grade 3 and 4 official notification. So friends, nagabanta ki documents, ki don ki parlok ki bakali, ki documents you ki don kambanra, te pihak banra lut ki documents ki ba pidon hakti jongki, khamtam yaka birth certificate, scheduled tribes, school certificates, residential certificates, nang ki experience certificates, kung kita pide banra hakapor ba pi apply yakini ki post ki ba pher ki ba de hapo ka East Jaintia Hill district.